December 21st, and we are about to do the T-ROC bathroom makeover December qualifier draw. I am going to copy paste all the December entries, and we're just going to paste them into the random selector. And just because I'm in a Christmas mood, we will do 15 qualifying draws. Congratulations to these 15 people. You have been entered for the final draw, and we'll find out who's won a bathroom makeover right now. This is the Renovators of Canada bathroom makeover contest final draw. Thank you to everyone who has been entering every month. We have 38 qualifiers to draw from. Good luck. Please contact us after the contest, even if you don't win, because it's very apparent that all of you need help with your bathrooms. Without further ado, I am copying all 38 names, pasting it onto our random selector. Congratulations, you have won a bathroom makeover. Linda Cook. Linda, please contact us by inboxing us. We'll let you know how to claim your prize. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and see you in 2019.